Hello and welcome to Kanoi. We finally made it here to Kanoi and Kanoi. It is probably the biggest Hmong community here in Thailand, so I'm excited to check it out. And we're here specifically for the Monday markets. They have quite a lot of food, produce, clothing, a lot of different vendors, so I'm excited to check it out. So let's go. Also, special thanks to my uncle for driving us here. Hanyo uncle. This is my first time in Kanoi, so I'm going to just roam around the market and just show you a little glimpse of what they have. Oh, wow! Whoa, look at all these Hmong knives. So many! Three. Alright, so we just finished our Kanoi market haul. We bought quite a lot of stuff. They have quite a lot of stuff actually. A lot of Hmong people, a lot of Hmong vendors, lots of people, lots of vendors. It was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. I got lots of really good photos of things that I haven't seen in a long time, so that's really cool. Other than that, I had a great time. It was fun. Alright, we are back from the Hmong market and we got some dole. And like grandma, she actually wraps this in rice bag strings. So, I'm just gonna open it. Anyways, it's basically just rice. It's time for dinner. So we had pretty much everything that we bought at the market for dinner, and then after dinner we called it a night. We stayed in Kanoi for one night and then woke up in the morning, went back to the village and got some breakfast, and then headed back to Nan. On our way back to Nan, we had pretty much everything we bought that morning, which was just fried chicken with some dough and some sausages.